Let me show you how to turn snoot effect into Photoshop brushes. You can just do what? Turn your snoot effect into a brush that you can just apply with just a single click and you're good to go. So most of these brushes will be given to you guys for free. All you just need to do is to comment interested and I'm going to send the link straight to you. Then you can just go and download it there. But if you want to create your custom brush, let me show you how to do all that. So the first thing you need to do is to go and download as many images as you have. So I got all this on Pinterest. All I just need to do is that I searched for snoot effects. So once you have everything downloaded on your PC, we're going to be trying out on two separate images, one with a black background and one with a white background. So let's start with this picture first, as you can see right now. So the first thing we need to do to this picture is to do what? We go to our what? We go to image. Under image, you go to adjustment. Under adjustment, we go to invert selection. As you can see right now, the moment we invert our selection, what inversion does is that whatever area that has the white background before, white color before, you're going to change it to black. Whatever area that has the black color before, it's going to change it to white. So now for the brush, for us to be able to create our brush right now, we need to make the area we need into black because Photoshop is only going to recognize this as a pattern we're trying to create, right? So now we're done with this right now. The next thing we need to do right now is to do what? Go to our edit. Under edit, we're going to scroll down to define brush presets. As you can see right now, click on it. Wait for it to load up, then give it the name of the brush you want. So let's just name this snoot 002 because I already created one earlier on. Snoot 002. Then I'll do what? I'll click on OK. Then we already have our brush as you can see right now. So let's go to the image you created and see if we can apply it there. As you can see right now. And the brush is already selected. Can you see? Snoot 002. I'm just going to increase the brush size. I'm going to increase the brush size. And I'm going to do what? I'm going to click on it like this. Once. Can you see? We already have our brush saved that way. So Ctrl Z on it right now. Then change the color to white or whatever color you want. Still apply it again and you need to give it that particular color you want. Just as simple as that. So that's the first step right now. Now let's go to the second picture. This other one right now, as you can see, we don't need to invert the selection for this one because our pattern is already in the black. The reason why we inverted this one was that this was actually on white color, what should I call it, on white color before. So we had to turn it to black before we'll be able to make use of it. So that's the reason why I had to go to invert to do that. So for this right now, what I just need to do right now is to do what? I'll go to edit, under edit. I'm going to scroll down to define brush presets. I'll click on it. And I'll do what? I'll name it snoot 003. As you can see, I'll just click on OK. Then we already have this as brush also again. Then we'll go back to our image again and do what? Let's Ctrl Z on this and we're going to apply it. Increase the brush size and apply it. And boom, our brush is now ready. It's just as simple as that. You can create it with any pattern you want. Just head over to Pinterest and search for whatever snoot effects you want. I hope this video helps. If it does, don't forget to drop a like. Someone out there might be in need of this video. See you guys in my next video tutorial. Reflex out.
So in case you're interested in getting any of my picture editing file, from my overlays down to my color lookup, which is my lot file, so you just have to scroll down to your video. So under the comment, this is my description. So it's not going to load the description for you. You just have to click on show more, click on it. So it's going to show all the options. Once it does that, just click on my store link. So here's my store link. Once you click on it, it's going to take you directly to my store. So you can actually select any file you want. From the color lookup, this is a light skin LUTs. This is a feather which I use in my recent video. This is 100 premium baby overlays. This is my first video course. This video course entails on how to download all the files I want. The site I use in downloading all my files free of charge, including my Photoshop panels also. This includes my PNG files. This includes all my packs, all my picture editing files, my premium overlay, my PNG, my flying fabrics, my color lookup, my presets. So once you buy this, you've already bought everything apart from this one. So here is my flying fabrics. Here is my, in case you want to give me any project for me to work on. Here is my color lookup. Here is my background overlay, and here is my preset file. So in case you're interested in buying